Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to log into Daallo Airlines website. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to Daallo Airlines login. Click on loyalty account login. Now here you are on the login page of Daallo Airlines loyalty account. Here you'll need to enter your username or email address along with your password. Enter them correctly to avoid any login issues and click on login button below. Also, if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your password link to reset your password. If you are new to loyalty account, click on sign up now button to set your account now. Well, that's it for today and thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Happy travels!